Yo, adofo edanso ya ma wakwa aba edeba adwumadi a dawtwe bia ye ne wo edi so. Na said de bia meka no, I hope say pepe so aye dru no usua bibi ewo mu. Abra corona e ba ye ene emre kakreni no. Asem bisa bi wo hodom a amafo etabusa pa. Na na me pese ye fasa akonya yiso na ye di yi ano. Ene say Corona by no, we are all very concerned. They say, oh, you better your home buy, you better your home so. But there's one group of people, I don't know if you ever asked yourself and say, how are they going to survive? And which is the homeless population. And as I said, the Ghana and the Americans who are down for more a criminal. What was some who say a quite bad so now, or mono, umbrella, now almost at me, stay healthy. Why and airborne? But then the question also is, even before Corona, no, people have always asked to say, "Until now, but that for the then or more enyare." Then, with all these questions, with all these concerns, with all these thoughts, no, and then me pese ye fa near adisuade ahodo kakra e wo mu na yetimi e de ebo ye ho ebra. First question they say, "Eye den no omonyare." Then my question is, then who say omonyare? Who say because the fact that you don't talk about mental health does not mean that mental health does not exist. In the same breath, the fact that we don't check them, right? And in the so mona modern no obi ankoshe omo say oh anope wo want to say your temperature to say and as say what diarrhea or fe and as say BBS sister. And the fact to say yen check your mono. We might think it's we always see them walking around, hence they are not sick. But ebi so are no more yare, ano mo de na mo no. In pedifoke bibi say aboa aponchi wo hoi, oti mfifiri pa. And so esai ne woman na wo no ho nti no. E ma hu say oti mfifiri. And that is what the case is with this population no. E bra omo fie di obo ko ba omo ne na mo didi abonte ni ade ni nyina no. E ade a omo tumi e yare. Then so no hwan ene kwakohwe no oba beka se ebia omo ewo yare we adase yare we say. The other thing nso ye building immunity. So wo hodo ma, let me give this example. Say what we fi bia unyi ya. Nti e for say if you outside the country especially. E bra na memse misua no. Na insua ne enom ne ye de ye ton ewo cap mu. And no, your co school next year, my breaker, salai. As many people are as present, salai. Now, the same cap, woman, no, Eddie Bones, you know, not or the amount, no one, not the same cap about the other person, Eddie Amao, not where the next person, no, so I know. Oko Kaneshi marketer, that is the same way we drank water, right? If you are on the penny in the buy, they all yes, you know, or yet Robert, I don't say no who. Say be obetime space no bu insu na gu. Now we're going to say it's not hygienic, it's not healthy, it spreads diseases, which is true. But then those days na yes and your many no. How many recorded cases did we get from those? And I'm not saying say I'm fire that is not what I'm saying, but what I'm saying is we've gone through all of that. We played outside most of the time. A good deal our new any food mu any beer we consider to be unhygienic. Isebu ono kropo na oko esutini bi, right? You go to a river and I say bibi no akwa sensuo no, and then you bring it home. In some cases near noa ansa ne anom, but even in some cases no ye noa ebo no ma esutini no no ma no na wabobi na o no. So one will ask you say na emaye enyare. So it goes into how immunity is built. With the human being or with the system, the more you get exposed to an antigen, then you develop an antibody for it, right? Enti se bibi wo honom na se emayare we bia se wo body no o da na di e de chesa adekro na ubo se be dru pempenso bi no na eno onipadua no afa. Enti na ebia first time no ube yare bi afimu. It might be serious, it might not be serious. As time goes on, na fe de obo say the same thing no oya onyare emfi hu bio. Enti no that is how you're building immunity towards most diseases e wo ho no. Say ote Ghana ebesi ne ebia afimuni nyina no obenya malaria once or twice. Ebu okropo down for call hospital no recover na onam ho no. But then obi so watina Ghana pain. Why exposed to malaria parasites no empempi. Ama at some point we build immunity mpono. O feel hodom now waba betina mano so for so many years no. So okoba kisisi ada. The rate at which is more likely for that person to get sick and maybe more serious sickness from malaria parasites way more than what's a Ghana hodom. In the same breath, as I said, a brand name shot the way I know me num so no na the way I na media grow, baby I media grow, and no matter who do I na me ingest come muno. Since I know say me dim me huchi na say me nim na say me ko try one shade ya me yem bi a be yem na na say yare bi a be bomb no. It will be very serious. And then you ask yourself, say, enye heya na onyi ye mutu kwan ba na afi de mo kire mo ho na ase de mo enye ha se na mu fi ko ye na ase de mo ni mu nchi bio dabi. There is a medical reason why in tia say ufi bia bi for some time na say woko back your bodies no your antibodies no sa soldier for na wo ni pedua na na mo kosa yarewa na esan say no mo exposed to before no. Esan said they've not been exposed to that virus, that germ, that bacteria no, for a long period of time no. Either they leave your body or they die or they become inactive. Whatever the reason is, they are not exposed to sanyoma no ebio. Enti say oji say oh I hear na minyi ye na ye di ateche ni ade na unim na so kwa mistake no get some worms be into you then it's going to be worse. So back to the question, say, do the homeless population and also say sebe aboda for no so omo yare na? The question, the answer is they've been exposed to these weathers, they've been exposed to this kind of food, they've been exposed to these conditions for some time. And today bia tama a shash here no, and almost started homeless no, they might have gotten sick here and there, but of course. To the first point, why they show me, it's of the body nankasa no takes care of yare na omunyinya ye no. So as it took care of it no, after the ababe do pempe so bia omu body no I develop some antibodies be towards germs and ne sa nyoma ni nyina. Therefore they build resistance to enyoma na ebe mo yare no. Hence, so ono na bono next will didi abonting and also say oh yeah no maybe it is very unhealthy and very unhygienic. Na wono okwose kwakotre bia yare bia be born then you wonder say why. It is the same principle, right? And yet fapem na ana emane ebanesa. Enti say oh honom na say sebio as you have kids na say no the way you sit no asesa bebre say oko krokeshie mu kakrampo na right now we don't even have playing grounds as much as we used to. Right now there's the fear say obema oba FPA akwakodi agro abonte emra na ebo petenge alikoto any other games na dey di agro wo fam no na ekonko cash ne sa ne omani nyina no eni honu bebre sa enti no mo say emofra eba sisi anokrampo no omo yare more than time na ye susu a ene yarewa hodo a ne yenya sa so the miracle enim no we should expect say yarewa hodo ebedoso because the kids are not building these antibodies to these human ahodo ni nyina. Abraham was could make one case study be a radio which was about a bubble child, right? And yekasa na obi a ono de osua na as ye born ho ban ye mpese be pie ye mpese be ye ho basa ye mpese be yese. Therefore the child was not even exposed to grass. It's in why get exposed to grass for that period ni nyina no. After onyi odu be 12 years and okọ bia then the nafofo kwakodi agro no yeso kwakodi agro ni bi. Otisi sinsen ni mu no. Osi grass ni mu no. Then he had an allergic reaction to the grass. In sincere keko, and no man allergic reaction, manoma betoton and na homa, no nipeduani na ye the onum. Then he had to go for treatment. It's make up what say a bra ye raise ye more free, a bra ye in certain communities, let us safely avail ourselves to certain conditions. Sebeya, we can build that antibodies towards these things. That amboya to hono, ama yarewa hodo ama yeso. It is what we say humpe. Say so. Abodan for analysis say the homeless population. If they get sicker, these are my answers to that question. But if you no measure say a bra ye treaties and your no. Then the question also comes to say, into why and a bomb. Say, what can be also out to me afa? And about this population now, there are so many organizations out there who caters for the homeless population and I say the vulnerable. Wait me a bomb a quite be as well. You best say, now say internet adaruma. If you Google her, you find one in your country or your locality, and you'll be able to reach out to them and then help them. Sebeya omonso able to take care of this very vulnerable population. Yeda se waka ho ababesi sadwemu. I hope say ugusu esua noma. Subscribe to your YouTube channel so onye ya. Sebeya ebetimi grow the Feel Good family. And then edumedie no so Happy Glow GH and the Debre. Ewo Ashoman Estate opposite Veggies and Girls. A nail spa and cosmetic shop. Say ope baby obekwa your pedicure. Na se chair na kasa be massage o body na mawa. Me pa hwehwe Happy Glow chair kwan. Sa anso na se okọ Instagram and na se Facebook Happy Glow GH. HAPPYGLOY GH. Ni nyina ebom. Ntira Facebook and na se Instagram. Hwehwe wo chair kwan na ni omo edigwa se be ya omodwumedie bekoso na omo so etimi ato aso yase. Ye be se hye bio.